Meaning of idiotic.
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 Idiotic. The word idiotic is an adjective used to describe behavior or actions that are foolish, senseless, or lacking in intelligence. It can also be used to describe a person who behaves in a stupid or absurd way. The word is often used in a derogatory manner to insult someone's intelligence or decision-making abilities. Being called idiotic can be a hurtful and offensive insult, particularly if it is used in an unjustified or malicious way. Overall, the term idiotic implies a lack of common sense or rational thinking, and is usually used to criticize or devalue someone's ideas or actions.